Okay, in this video we'll look at the new features on Google Classroom. So we'll start by looking at this extension. This extension allows you to share links directly to your classroom. So if you get to a website you want to share, you have the link there, you click on that, and you can then choose which of the classrooms you want to share it with. So it makes it very easy if you've seen something useful in a class, just to add it to your class straight away. So to add that extension, you have to go to the Chrome store by clicking on the apps logo here. You choose extensions and you search for Classroom, and then down on extensions it's the share to Classroom, and you just click to add it to your browser, and then that will appear there. So that's the first edition. Next edition is we go to Classroom. The next edition is that we go onto the About page. You'll now see there is a calendar. So you can go into your calendar, you can add an appointment. As you can see, I did there, and that appointment is attached to, in the case of me, is attached to my tutorial class. But you can see down this side we have all of the classes you have, and you can add a setting in there, and then that will appear in the student's calendar in Classroom. So a useful new addition. So what else is new in Classroom? Well, I suppose that the big features, if we go to the stream, is from the plus now we have a few options. We've got the create announcements, we've got the create assignments, but we've also got create questions. So when you click on that, you can put in your title of your question, and then your question itself, and then have a date by which the questions need to be answered. As with before, by clicking on the arrow here, you can add it to that question to multiple courses in one go, and then you can hit ask, and each student can individually reply to that question. So potentially you could use it for checking learning inside a class situation, or you could use it as a remote thing done outside of class. So that's the question feature. Now, one of the things that people seem to struggle to do is to share a group of resources, a folder's worth of resources, either with their community or with their classroom. So we're going to have a quick look at that. So what we do is you go into Drive, you find the folder that you want to share, you then right click on it, you click Share, you click Advanced, and where it says, and the default it will say Private here, you click Change and you choose anyone with the link can view. You then copy this link here, you go back to your classroom, and you've got two choices where you can add it. You can either add it as an announcement, choose link, you paste your link in there and put in your title. You can add it that way, or if you go to the About section, you can add materials down the bottom here, and again put the title of what it is and the link there. So it's really key. Go into the folder, anyone with a link can view, copy the link, and either go to the About page and add it down the bottom, or go to the stream and add it as an announcement. Just to remind you, this folder is for you to view the work that your students have produced. It's not visible to the students, they can't see the contents within it, so it's really important not to try and put work in there, to either add it as a resource here or to add it in the stream. So there we are, the latest updates to Google Classroom.